Aba ye da fia man kwa tamaklo ye da na CP so no so ye abedi nkomo kama say na kwa ye benada ye to adwumedi ni so Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so ye da Franco Trading Enterprise for ye da on as safari tissues ye da o maso kwanso so so na Richoko ana Zest Consultant so ye da on as ye ka Franco no de na onimse nyoma bi e fa iPhone or Samsung Nokia smart TVs a free 32 copy 65 inches. A Franco air conditioning free 1.5 horsepower, a copy 2.5 horsepower, and a sound system. A hodona. A phone who acquire bianso unye bi of Franco a enterprise when you be at all. Message say sa numbers way 0246 422338. Na what you mean one heading kita. And I call on website na www.francotrading.com. Na what me anyone eddy a year in Gitao. I'll tell you much about Zest Consulting. So if you're now searching for the best place for your IELTS, and I say, open say, oh yeah, at Uchro, so he be an now open scholarship. Match say the NTS out of Zest Consulting, Utimi Bow, na Utimi Cohen. Name Kaunu say, open so no Mudi Gitao crown sana ebia, my boy own send via chewa. 055 5631-633 and 050-9092-330. No what me want ending it out. So anyway, we and I say Monday to Friday. See for a year Badwam Mpensenpensemu Jumedi for bro. Edika Bonde with your General Secretary, New Patriotic Party, Lawyer Justin Kodia. What's not Lawyer Fisher?
I think go back to you.
Lawyer, be back, come on.
I'm called Adom. Now, sir.
Oh, I see a brebe as soon as I will say, who's who goes away with you, man. But you see, teachers, you seem to be who you made him tonight. That was our frozen. Yeah, can't get it. Walk on there purposely for Balbiana.
Oh, Debbie.
Walk now, Moye.
Debbie. Benana party, I walk at the Ama. The pabao, any possible. It be consider.
The intent was just to gather party faithfuls.
My mamma for Kunyas na mentia ashefo. Ofa kowu Easter worker MPP. Yeah. And then next Saturday ne bread kanya. Yes, I work no. Started 2018 no. Yeah, 2018. 2019, 2020 COVID, yarenity and numbers, and 2021, 2020, 2023. And the idea I here for the last 5 years. Ebena can say this year a exception.
A particular person in a way.
It's possible.
So what was the intent? Their numbers are more achievable.
Esha said 2018 no. Un say ko Easter the whole Ghana baby the pajo ekopa ko. And as a party no, yes, you who say a mrantian in my bower at Tabaho. And as a avenue say you beton your party no. A mamma can caba party, the best hat treat young pumno. Tienye size way. And from 2018 American they be to market the party and also as part of your recruitment drive by
just to whip up enthusiasm.
That's it. And idea.
So on the platform, we are known supporters for the various political parties.
Oh yes.
Flag bearers no more so.
Oh yes. Wa unia opiki. Uni baby opiki na.
Yeah.
Any ni pado do omo ba ho. Baby kwa le musu no bi kwa you are Kennedy Japan kwa Kennedy banner wo ho and I will share akoto free and for banners na wo ho and I will share in fact even jingle cry ye di promote any letter me trauma national organizer say one share same penifo or more party no on Tom San from no yes I know many nyina until we nye worker we bit maka say yama di pa ba ko
okay yanko party commotion for your back Ghana and commotion every woman has a bit more for 40 million. Me who say o party a na general secretary mo dey shey be go akwemu about to Adom the presidential the flag bearership and then the members of parliament you know Titu started with the orphan constituencies baby o ha mpese de sha se kwan se no wako deeper making kan mo ngoma na baby e me rem kakra say ana na won kwa open so de wo so ma DC for ne for enkosi aka why is this so
oh my dikan your party no before say medem nsabeshe kratas na yasoma me say bibie no ho ameka bibie no ho ametra enye soma na party no asoma me say be me general secretary me ka say ena ma sorry ena o my him show ahoye me hint ena ma suspend na say me you there be un say your party your share say free steering committee na in charge of day-to-day management of the party if we are about national executive committee neck as na about national council enti say share me ba make try you know a national council the second highest decision making body of the party omo ene soma me say me trust akata
sa share na buy
nyina if national council na me general secretary ma dwen chela me dey buy entremu and the first time MPP ye prime minister yaka say be a sitting MPs wo hon the peko bi ntimi ngina as far back as in 2020 crowd emre sabai say MMDC constituency chairman secretary and I think organizer omo ntimi ngina be a sitting MPs wo nti ade wo sida.
Now why is this so? Because a lot of your MMDCs and chairman they are calling, especially almost say Oba and you know, Omobonjo so say, why should it be so?
You see a national council. The padodo na dream if share fast I do want to say one. If we be tripod, a work constituency wo. A year ye mrashe bedwani. A year constituency executives and a MMDC or more. Sa nipa kumiensan ene kabuma ehwe aban ene party no wo. Amai in principle me supported that position no, but me change him with a caveat. Amai wona ye you say kojina party na na mu mrasebe dwamai. Enti bra no o won kan ya o hyemra. Unu hono se nipa hwe wachima nipa obehwe wachina di kan o constituency executives wona so moton omobo odewro ma say o oman hi ni ha nanso so adwuma a wo ye de odi abase en fanhwe party for we ni any constituency for ne omo to aba ho nye adwuma wo ye nyina ye na ebo ho dewro etoso mienu MMDC a wo hono wo na represent omampani wo na wo budget common fund eba wo de yentoto o district wo in fact MP kra wo hia common fund na wo ba ho na wo yi bi ede aman eto man hwemachima me bom ho ban bodero mame se menim begu ase a efiri wo se menim ebepija efiri wo efso na hwemachi na ne men koda sorry a wa wo hwemachi no wo se ba no ba begina you see obia transnational dreams had you ho a
yeah how is it possible
nti da be no man hin na adwen se
oni me besi akan
nti
na wo hwe akire nyina no na se wo oni me
etu wo hwe akire nyina no that means
so you come upon esom me
akire that was the position enti sadia se be ya obetima hwemachi ye no ene wo je tum se o sa position we dia untimi ni menjina every se be bia wo gina no wo na so obo aban ho ban wo na so obom ho ban te ne wo kasa oni me gina that means me you unpopular nyina if
ewa wo didi mase it is a mekase me si akan bia me jai se DC me si
enti ene wo hwe hwehwe a party ni di buy minim se national council say oye constituency officer untimi ngina oye DC ya untimi ngina be bia mase be dwamo okay se menye so e what I say
maybe
I'm surprised say nipa ni bi entiase yes say wo ye a untimi nyina
nju pa men ko ye
enti chamenye e a
chese am other options a opese ogina de a untimi
yes I'm straightforward. I'm surprised e bi mo keka yes say ma obi angina
yes wo say o mo obi anyina enye enkoyi hu film so bi a sure say what be wo po penso de ye na ye potential e betimaji party na si ho no enim de wo hu ni de wate wo so me nyina eno na e ba say na because making kind of say wo say I think we have to just
if I baby jitum if say me na me nsa shekata na say na so me ama masachi chumo say enya me pe na me tumi na me dey me yosomafo.
So it's not a question of what restricted DC and our constituency executive be as on to me enyina so person ogina there e also hear say oye
just say sad na letter na kire yes we are on to me nyina na wonye we so e and say kire bi no National Council SHia near say okay bia directive ya de buy no window we da hododo enti bia yen silisa window no or yenye emphatic say okay yes wo pese ugina ebia wo emrese ya eso ujaya eno sa hye ne ba mesa betena sa aka wase but at stance na there yes wo kra we ya wontimi nyina.
Okay, so Kata on Sasha says the National Council Federal Bar National Regional Constituency Party executives and MMDCs from contesting in constituencies where the party has sitting members of parliament. The party has also approved detailed rules and regulations. Okay, no, say no. Omo ni sitting MPs no. Mention crutch in the constituency executive. Okay. So yamra she mu na yehu say the most person must ikono. The kind presidential ban na offer na ban na sitting there ban na sitting ban na offer na ban na presidential na ban which is which.
O mind dey tell say o share timelines now. Nyame boa ye be start the process no with presidential primaries. And no 26 May 2023 afia
April
May so the next month ya e be be nomination enti ho na sabi e be hu mema ewu dia ye nyina anya atesem ene we be ko we be nyina we nyina da bi enti 26 May e be be nomination na o hwe party emra na e bia ye 1 month to close nomination enti be be no 26 May na 24 June ya hwe closing of nomination abaso so we are oko MPP constitution article 13 ka assembly wo ho 13 year election of presidential candidate na oko 1319
asaba kin kansa de mo party se mo kano it me Kwabena Asante a potential flag bearer for the MPP
yes
na me kofa krata na e wo ska bi ese bitua ai bitua sen
wo hwe enhyehyɛ na sɛ wo kopeke forms for presidential na wo betua 50,000 yes na last time na 30,000 and last time so wo submit forms so na 300,000 ti afi 50,000 for picking of forms and 300,000 for submission of forms
na any form do
party no National Council Trans no bobo ho adwene ho if you say we ne ya ebeboa the National Council adia to me say
exercise no and some be Ghana can do exercise here very serious exercise both financially experience exposure everything wise so other parties main parties too now more money back within the domain of Abia Franca Sempa with my gather 50,000 no there ba no abigina sebi ahobrasem wa say nyina adaje kwa but Franca Sempa we say we 2 million Ghana cedi e kose okohese obadwene hu biem because there should be something to also be a stop to some of because ni pare bi wa sebi ahobrasem obi asefata de but it's an sense mu as a dawo kaka me imagine na me dey ma we say any form do because it will not scare a lot of people say now for contribute 10,000 no 80,000
o man you see me hu no or different angle one yem pese ebe sebi o man no ye ton ama obi owoska se bien satin ani nya nyepe obi onim de pa obi obetima totu no ma obetima aboa enti se okaka se o je bia 2 million na ebia wonya ena tosu biem o mai wa akwa ya central for ya se ne yakwase ya ji 2 million na MPP 4 minutes ka Ghana ye din yankofo bre no motima nya wi o man sika nya 2 million se mfa ko pre franka tufo enti ye dwini nyina ho ne ko ma o di nya ye national council o ma ye transe dwiru nya ye dwinya ne ye dwiru ho na me dwiru obi ho na me dwa asempa ne stage mu sa de ba se na o me ka fa o enti ni nyina ye hyehyɛ ya e wo ho enti na me boa o pick form o ba so je form 50,000
so in effect 80,000 Ghana cedi picking and submission
o pick here 50,000
okay
and I'll submit at 300,000
hey 3.5
no 350,000
that
say all kwaje forms na 50,000
they me carry 3.5 billion
and say o be say o ye me say be say o two future na be say na ye nwa me ndc for beside o moje o ndc for je be 400,000 500,000 I think between 400 and 500
oh so 50,000 we only corner o be check so ye be
man and ye 300,000 I think which is reasonable at least say oh from 2 million near about 300,000 a year. Or if you say apart from that no obi na nya brebia say oba begina no o my 350,000 say be iska
you want to be a flag bearer
iska and I feel so 16 regions MPP ni po meto aba no over 200,000 and imagine say o born to akọ 16 regions in process Canada as much as possible so your party so adwene omo akogina so so drum say enkoye say yesu mi omo dodo they want the best candidate to win.
Okay, so you trust us more she be as a mobro numa mo de to any dey share no.
Na me ba hon say article 9 article 1319 me put kakra masachi ma battery. Or say where there are more than 5 contestants for nomination as the party's presidential candidate, a special electoral college shall cast their vote by secret ballot for the first 5 contestants to be shortlisted. Just say your kwa kensi na nipa na si endeshia ompeso omo pre no omo bro enuma ye befe bibia special electoral college befa abejoku kakra bi na omashia na omato aba
before the forms abejoku na special delegates
constitution na sa to aso kase the special electoral college shall comprise the following delegates.
Okay.
The National Council, the National Executive Committee, the Regional Executive Committees, all members of the National Council of Elders, all party members of Parliament.
All party members of Parliament.
The members of the 4. Now, 3 representatives of each of the special organs of the party, Women's Wing, Youth Wing, Nasara Wing, and past national officers.
Okay.
Then 3 representatives each from every external branch. You will bear 27 branches. It will be also the party. 3 every external branch. And founding members during the registration of the party, or more party or electoral commission, and all party card bearing ministers.
All party card bearing ministers.
Ministers are mere party for to share National Council for the second higher decision body. National officers count MPs need be count.
About 800 and that's any per 1,000.
If I say 1,000 and a better saban.
And also moko twaba.
You say na ye kotona te nipa no bro enuma ye be di count ni asone so aba enum. So ni nyina no wo abakosem. O man so be kaya 2007 na sabre bi se ya enya nipa be 17. So munya akwa frankatu for no amwa party no yetete nsema e course o Ghana nti in the wisdom of the framers of the constitution edwon said there be say ya fa bibia mbem na ya sone so a e be side dede biem say 2007 see nti we yefia hu from 2007 for 2 years then the first 5 no and a national conference no it's delegates ma beto aba no mo de yi wo na se de tie no nti no date no say bass nipa no bro enuma ye be no 26 August 2023 hona
se koba se enipa ne buru enum bia
sa bejoku na ebe so ne so amana abe ne
to sa ban on the 26th
of August this year ya na yakopon ya aduma on the 4th of November na National Congress no akoto aba no eyi Frankatuni na National Council so adwem no esa adwen ho say there could be a possibility of a runoff until eba say runoff beba
that's over 200,000 people ekoto aba no
yes
and we are na ba ko ntima nko yiti efrase and mo calculate saying to say your national
more than 50%.
More than 50. There's only 100,000 bros.
Sir, Ankobasa na on the 11th of November so. You better say runoff.
Sabeda mo ye wenya na mo de offer na hihim ni city ni hihim na say mo ye wi ansa.
Ni nya so intertwine. That's a ka ho. Oba offer constituency so and so be nomination 16 June.
You ka offer na de number.
You ka offer na constituency a yenimra hwe bedwani wo a o MPP ni. Nti everyone say NDC omo 136 or 137 nyina no
ho nyina da ho
10 year friend orphan constituency then almost so you be on the 16th of June you be close nomination no on the 14th of July na omo election afi in Sakrabem
orphan there
no yentumbu yen to say be one day yeah 136
them say 136 into offer across the 136 in
there be yen sir eno no National Council ya trans here who say we don't want to treat all orphan constituencies the same
Nina secretary I had the one me
no baby episode no elections enti yen say best start on elections no from 1st August.
Okay.
Near we 2nd December. By 2nd December, near to
all
orphans near you from 1st.
And yet, and to us,
baby, no strategy nonko. Near quite be fast. Man, ask my time frame. Whether from 1st August to 2nd December.
Now, I will PM Yakojina baby, opposite me. I mentioned them one say the name say Kakoya offer a damn pine or Equator Bay. Madaroma. The 16th August, all the 136 party reps, Jina baby, move on Sisusu now free by a humano, Yavi. But you can say, oh, there be constituency behind the strategy. It be also at the more interest of baby and us national executives.
Oh, yeah, she said national party in and say, you per se, you call 2024 and 12 no. Now you're now overwhelming majority in parliament. And to be a say ye be a can be a say fast to be at to be a say to be ano e ho na money etu nti your party 40 ase me so meti ase to man won ti ase anya wanwa but ye kasa de ti ase
me menti ase anya wanwa
anya baby ba ye de ti ase
me menti ase kra anya party ne how
there be na ye de ti ase say you say from 1st August to 2nd December yebeto ni nyina
ba party for no say mo hye ni bi to sin de on buy ho
so mo to ase de baby a oti aka kire mi ana ma chechire mo ti baby e beto sin o mo nti ase no o mo do fo aso ka kire ma chechire but here de ti ase
more favorites be are we also going to witness a baby atwam na they say party no favorite member of parliament be party no we there even I'm dealing with the offer and some about certain MPs so more some special personalities be an MP hopeful jump say at whatever cost and that what administration be na obe yi mu say we me come na san tell ma e so no na e come mama obi ama obi mo wo be yes that money be
also offer assembly e come boa offer constitution
yes offer assembly can
o my MPP constitution article 12 head you know was a selection of parliamentary candidate. One can elections of parliamentary candidate. Selection. You can't be bria. If also eyi mashebeja for or majina maye. Bebu a bit matwaba. Bebu a be a krumana because obi a party for a case we kushia no. O man was my head de nya ya jatu.
Uncle
say your man uncle. Bebu o kra bit no makasa oh. Ye hwe no me kosi. Mo man he kwa bebu aye. Timi en discuss ye ndwene ho. O penifo mo ni we nko kasa, we ni we nko kasa. Enti ebia nko. But the bottom line is I can assure you say ye as a party and also more especially under my watch, you impose a candidate or constituency bias.
But you are privy to some of these unfortunate incidents a cause party, no, very much. And the obesity teacher say, hey, now lawyer Justin could you afraid you no na abehwe kuru ni anim na wa no ho ayi anase de because the keka kono ahwe a boko du kumawu am say o man say we de onua ne bere masafo into we de wa na ye de woko me can know Frank Asempa ho a what na constituency wo nim de ko nyina na matwa afa so mo anya sure recipe for breeding this apathy ni sa na man na mo sa asase ya na
o man
often ye ka was we ma sitting
the meka ofidie so say under my watch as general secretary of MPP constituency be no wa e be impose candidate owo mo so
so
debi so say ye tin kran ye ti region yes o kumawo mompo ye do man hene e na ebremo ebinsi na mum se kumawo fo na agitum se ye na akohia ya gye atum se o man hene
na pese
no kwa party ne beso
nye ne beka bibia
ene ye ne dabi te ye betima kire ya adwen ba se ye be ya adwen be ye mra e be ye nhye se ye ya adwen ma ebia kumawufo ye ya adwen ma ebia ni adubiase na se ye ya adwen ma ebia tachima nofo se ye e asumesu na eba no o man me se ne bone date na trot se me under my watch as general secretary ebinsi
nti obi aba na baka say position na yensi who because nya da mena ba
yempre ebinsi say a party for na gituma papa
amko fa sa ayi bukata kwan so disqualify o man hini san say ni outro the signature ko sign baby am say ko signature we ba kwa ya to fa bukata bi to say we there e be fan disqualify
say o man ade no ofa back door and na asema me say won tie ase ha me no obeso fa kwan ya na me chichirim
wontie say ebe wi echi no abodina keka na kodua de na memo de oba e de bibia ono nko bibia oba ono nko nti we have to get the understanding of how the rules and regulations they operate because o ka say no bia na ya no bi so abo mo poro mbako fa kwati kwan na disqualification e be ya adwuma sa
as part of electoral process o my madwuma ne se ye behwe se ne nipa kro no kra no se empo bibi mpo na ontimi ngina ono abeti ase so o ampa de mpenifo ka ni nti o msi ntimi ngina no eto aso no kra mpo man he frem so o kodua adana enyu adubiase asomasi mama na ngina metimanya akukuduro metimanya anidi achichim se o man he se ni siye and pa konye kan no so onso tiase se ampa de kan di mu na mum enkoye se nipa kon nam se bia menua ekogina ho na se madam fo be kogina ho nti me fa kwati kwan so chechinchina as a party ye managina eno the National Council, National Executive Committee, Steering Committee enya de asade no ye party be so.
I see. Okay, so Mamenka say lawyer Justin Kodia, General Secretary, New Patriotic Party, and yenene etwetwe nkomo wa hanu say lots of the people say make us text messages here but everyone anybody say nkomo na afi what me so any akasa
sitting MPs
baby I hu kakra ne sitting MPs no
yes
but me pese ye kan de nyina komo nhwa ade ansa
okay
ye hwe how komo wudi ne besi akwansa ma back to sitting MPs na afi Adam Matasa eba app no yetimi edi ehun komo we see Pinto say good morning Omani please Honorable Ken Japan is not contesting as parliamentary candidate. His constituency becomes orphan. Official money communication from him
Debbie.
So how is he in the know say let me say on kwampa because what call he there okay we see Berman na be kire day
on 26 May
so oye Berman there na say another hall
enu no say no National Council dweno
okay
and nye Ira Canada Japan kwa your sitting members of parliament will be also onkobie So in that case no, are you treating that constituency as an orphan? There be. And any idea say National Council in our next meeting no say by then no near who or more be a presidential primaries no almost see or more be a mashabia full moon. Here you got to cross it or a mashabia on smart so on super conti. You see PBR and a National Council best have a back at the directive about say be a baby a mashabia means who could be no any baby a baby a obi so corporate frank 24 no or e be treating say
more dwene ba mun sipo
debi in sipo because on could be no artisan or it has to be official say be a background and power copying the form was submitting the form no what there to say be a copy way let's say be obi ma shebe dwane a be ankrata what you remember natural say be a me assume say me gina constituency we nyame eboa 2024 prime minister sitting MP min could be and there is a paper trail with major so aka say be because of that in T you two sign among.
So in that case the munyan sipo the basa time and basa elections now what be sitting for no
sitting for the no so more say be area can Japan say wakase
area jogati
wakase more kwa they are sitting members of parliament
so we sitting
we can treat it and I'm person may take a decision man national
council. While the decision is not taken, we assume that is more sitting MP.
Oh, yes, sitting MP. And it is a national council Asia now omakase omun kobi mu nti yen tweeting say ebi as orphan and as general secretary now you comply with that directive.
I see. So Kuma, what's the latest?
Edi kan me ye be fa akunya we so na yama yenyina ho yakọ me say okrom wampi no na yama berema so yakọ ne nanahema yama kuma uma nyina so yakọ kuma constituency fo nyina de sie no anodin ya na me transfer dwene ho a tiase nim if the Thursday nipa me nam parliament nyina ye bonkomo na Friday me ye when chief whip me ye roko na me busam ha na ba one number ye omuso honorable baso a o ma frɛ na o monsan ka me am fa me phone so frɛ no na du be na me ni address obi e beto abase e de be nkwanti a on fa no phone no na echi e kote said the esi no ani unye wari hye mo se kan yankopon e be dom na nka wetimi abeka ye ho a kosisi nyame na nenim ti bibia na ade nyina no Bible ka say fa se da manyame.
We left out one thing I say be kokumawu no orphan constituencies no ebo no ye saying
for orphan constituency no 3,000.
Okay.
And a filing of nomination year 35,000.
Okay. So 38,000 in effect.
But part no enam say ye pese ye promote to more female in parliament nti any ye pese mebuno so press on Marco Yamashevja for any sebi, Yanuama Bia, or Madi Demoso, a prebinity, or be a bebuno, be your bar, and you said will be or Dembiano. Yeah, 50%.
Oh, wow.
Every day, so cheer.
Around 15,000.
About 15,000.
So, Bebruni Mano.
Bebruni Mani said will be a bear with the Demoso.
Okay. All right. So, back to Kumawu.
You said before, say, a bit my by elections biano as a Ghana mra HSA as a speaker of parliament etro a comma electoral commission say ampa seat na be vacant and parliament best story last week when say I think Thursday speaker of parliament announced say what tro krata e dia comma electoral commission and as when electoral commission sabaka krata no baby a say be by election because of the death of a member of parliament. No, electoral commission was 60 days within which to organize the by-elections. It is 60 days. No, me sure I start here counting. That year, transfer electoral commission do my timetable beba or down be to aban. Yeah, I koya mayoku no. Sebi, e woni bring me no. Edi kan ye de share no let's see share. Edi na watch da. Na yesa enya ne krabia kra. At the same time, so it's our about to ye besato. Ti I dear my and you say you will be so be partner for the election. Electoral commission one can say be this year when you time our penna odo be beba tie nyina no we have to work within a time frame tie I diamaye enti wo hwa national council share so ya adwen ko benkrom se nyame ya adoma ene ya me no kase ye bie nomination no kumawu na enam se ye the electoral commission any constitutional provision ye adwumenti sa nomination no ye bia enche ye bie na 11th April nyame boa Friday 14th April ni a close nomination no just because time no within 60 days say unya frank atuni na afio so wo sa enya time say campaign so because ni pafo for neighbor we nya so sa no ko chia kroma wonam ye campaign ko chia chia o ntini nyina so ebre just ye eni ho ntini me boa on the Friday 11th April no ye be close nomination na Saturday 15th no ye be publication of aspirants or more you close nomination page 9 Saturday 15th that Sunday ye vetting 16th
etitara so pa
they say he just say etitara so pa 16th April ti wia ne Monday no na ya publish interim vetting outcome or report no so call vetting no or see any Tuesday na no a submission of petition say bia Monday no eshia obu ha but one to one to Tuesday no o kwan say obeba na obeshia appeals committee no obe submit a petition then on Tuesday now so appeals committee no betters na ewia Wednesday you be balloting of positions on the 18th Wednesday 19th of April 2023 na Thursday 20th or so publication of notice of pool say nipa we na ekoto mo so aba na yakopon ya aduma the question that 23rd April na ya to aba obi a obegina MPP anem or by elections no o man sa process ye koso nyina no ye hyaase no na enkomo bi koso say aden na ye nyi obi sa question na o kan ye nyi obi e ma ne nkogina command say kpc you manage na this is the best time because I can sit here and defend it say looking at the time frame no
ye fast messing
kabeti ase because you have just within 60 days
a brain
was but there be you call neck ni national council no ya get to me say there be afi ye mpese e be so obi akwan enti enam se mpese obi so obi akwan ti ye mbiem ye ma de hye no obi amra obi amegina na ye ni saa wi a eni pa kono okọ ne ekoto aba na wo anya kra obeti ases
eye chance
ye betata so ebi e di asumesi kwa akogina aka ordinary no ke bit ma justify but ya share on say there be ye mom nko na I can assure everybody a owo pepa say oba akogina say the national party no yin si obi ahokwan yen kan obi akasaboa enhye ne yem na emum wa wo kwa check wo ho hwe wo ho na busa wo say de bent na bi ebit ma disqualify me
yes o tie da sa
na so o tie sa da say ye ba no wa ma cross wo ko if say Ghana mranika say who hold dual citizenship a
untime menko
on say bia o Ghana passport o American passport o bia UK passport Canada passport also ba bejina because be check sa no mani nyina tani say o decide ye ne ba no man ye disqualify wa
nkojina monte
nkojina ka say ya disqualify and to be
so under your watch new ma ye legit nko ne mrade nam na obedi wadwuma ye hwehwe ni masem ame
o man debi because he at the end of the day no o man he there no ma be mienu miensa guide me ne say the party is in an extreme difficult position now and also as a government share o man every 92 ba ebe pensamri a party bia oba wacha 8 years meboa
yeah
for the first time MPP afia ye di say breaking the 8. Sebi you can't break the 8 by doing things ordinarily. Sebi a normal way ye dey be and one na do ye. And you find break it.
Say impose candidate.
Say what you say. And they say you perceive you standing even a chance. Men can say break you. Even that you standing even a chance to break the 8. Yes, yes, she share normal ye.
You put your house in order.
Yes. Say be ya be we no metu account
be anyhow.
Emba. E be ba kra kakra bi. E kwan be na e be fa so. Ye ma ya de hye ne kwan. Obi a opese okogina bia, onkogina. Process nye fair. E na afa na e be ka se bia abon a ye de koto aba no.
Ayira
assistant ne de hye.
But how are you going to ensure all this sanity? Because abon no de we there and what sembeba. Especially in the region that you find yourself. Abon ho chinwe beba.
O ma me no ka say.
Yeah.
Sebi yanto kwa. Etu anamo. At the last National Council, the presentation my National Council said, and now say men percent na be a chinyo bi beba no. Abon na o my party from constituency region na omodi abre national no. Yeah say print abon ni nyina. Ni aside command region no any constituency no say obi an check it. Mon verify say abon na you kra no. Eno abi and o man here musumukura. And to one no, there's this attempt to make sure say we have a clean album. And to the court na fan say be you say sisan bi abom you hu say bi a bibi wo ma entwa ya. Ye nyan bi nomination no kra no, we are solving it. Ti ye wotokwa bi ne pese ye ko a ye ko se
bia de omo de ba. Mo so be rane mo album. No matter the core region no. Abom ma say de mo de ba de enso ye
bibia kroje. And the toss bi ya sa ka wo mu say yin say obu ha the constituency bi otukwan kwa ma no ne say bibu okwa wo frim. Nti sa positions no e wo ho. Eno say no ya ka say mo obi an hu to me say obey replacement.
Maybe regional chairman to replacement.
Constituency executive won't me replacement.
Nipa na tukwan me na o me region. Nti me say abranti abon ho modi nti me di nhye because nipa ne wo.
Oho de kofa manso ne ba. Say ebia ba bia kan. O man he be ka say aha de executive ye nyina ye nhia. Ye ne a member of parliament be bia MP. Ye nyina ye agree say famawe. Baby wo so entesa. Baby wo wan hwia obenya o man he bi wo to say me na me chairman. Me nko me de obi din e ba koshim. Or me na bia me mrahye benyani.
So you agree to engagement and replacement but not individual.
And no engagement nyandu ho. You say o de obi ewu amakemaye. Say bia polling station we asomesi we say bi wo free mo or asomesi we wo to afria so woni ha biem. O de fa man fa bre.
Enye all right.
And all right. So what the bre we are and the National Council party na be say we take a decision on it. Eto so biem. The say bokoko ne say we are expecting say omo koto aba eyi constituency executives no. Omo picture and bo abon nim.
Omo koto
aba eyi constituency executives no. Omo picture na so abom no. Omo adin na so wom. Entimi ko ba say nipa we na koto aba eyi constituency executive obi a constituency officer o kan ho. Na ebe bi rechi na do koto aba yi mu no. Onu ni din na nipa fofo din na wo. Enti sa normal we nyina ye ehyehyeye a National Council any party no ye dey ba say be ye amabu ama abon no ebenya credible aboma because they beba constituency nyina o man e fa kese no abon abon and say it benya credible aboma then we know say we are halfway through a free, fair and transparent election.
You have a task ahead.
Oh yes, Eddie. So
you have a task ahead. A major one.
It is
and are you ready to step on toes? Remember the bigger picture of the party.
Oh my, not toes.
These are influential toes. I'll step on.
Oh my, not toes. No, be down for me. Any question?
They say at the end, who know about our
a party 40 years. Obiati say say ye percent na mebo 2024 Ghana for ya Adom no to abama ya esi ya di kansa ye ho yare on kase bi kamenya na ko man ka menua no ka wo ye mrase bedwa bi wa na ma ye ma ye fe ne mafia ma bo mafia no amo aba nesi nyina na ko na so man mebo mafia ma na ye be lusu seat ne de ene mesro se menua wa ye no ho ye adwuma
ko ye adwuma na fa dia
wa fa dia resources bia ohia bia na mebo tempo kra no metawachi a mebo resources o man je fa ko campaign no ba pa se party mra any ade de o ye ne dede beba no
ebe yiwa free
bukata kwanso because o man the crown say in fact me aye buy kwaye we have our own challenges wo a free polling station election neighbor Elko constituency sebi of course as in my institution you can't have it all your constituencies bu problems wo me no ka say ebi kra wo court me no ka say ebi kra bu of eno kra me intimi solve wie
wasa ko fa bia be
masa ko fa we kwa sa be kan me ne etefo ene mo hwa no pe ma me fa akunya wo say me de say your boss an komo we minim say mo be the petition abrem ene mo bu so a ma ba mo ho ma bihia for instance constituency be say kwada so for me na no machia manya complaints nyani is German South just so any couple of constituencies nipa di bi hwe se meso ya kasa bia ene abaye koto ye no ai nam so ebe yi mi as general secretary ye twem isi o mai te se ene ana de esamanye den se se empo party ne kasa ene ebia abaye koto obi a constituency bia me the example say bia ye twa we ma it means say you open the flag it
for time no man see me see
general
secretary neka
general secretary so me twa we the general na de watwa let's say bia askwa aboma ana ye ne kutwa bantuma dem uwie bantuma na offensive for aba so general yeso de na
nkoni you trust us and the be affect the party na affect one kasa
sa eti mefa konya we so say party for edin ye hwe say ye betimi aka ne mema abotoya aba ye hwe say ye betimi aka say bebu antiase be yadwuma hwe o man party adwuma ye eto obi a kasade bebi wo kwa ya chopa o man ebu ha menu ho enesiye mwa eti me general secretary ebu wa mekwa mepo macho said the esi no eya areho na mum under my watch no mehwe se sa no ma na binsi ni nya account na ene ye Adom verification no ye de command regions no ene constituency for ye koye nim no obi wo kra in the past ye you din free mu ya ma wan ka ho kra so that we party ba elections you go for ma election bo lusu first time bo lusu second time the third time
so no
bem minim constituency bi subin omo ye executive say yi amakwa dumu organizer mo ne share ma mo yi me kapa 2000 say 8 2000 now baby omo kwa do mo ye suspend no mo nyina afrim omo ntime nyina but after bare 4-5 years no enom na we executive so ewo etim owu ye party ni na sabi no ma bi course in the past na amboa memo abamumbu but the day enim edos
but sometimes general secretary kwa mo fa so a we treat some of your party people
I agree the crepa no ma bi wo ha entwa yi na ma bi wo ha nkoyi me njina wa video so defend ade aye enye be bi wo ha obi wo ho so okọ performance ni bi kra wa nya bi beebi wo ho obi wo so a ye beto aba ne ye nka nche no ye betina nye sa koto aba no beebi ye nyina ye normal bit misi ye but at the end of the day no as a party ye hwe sa normal we nyina ye hwe party interest ni sa normal ye ka ho say na anu ye si wo akwatia eno court na den share by say normal course no antwaye tie nkoto na foforo eni di akiri a ekoto na foforo nti before akunya say dem make no na master party for say if we treat every constituency be case by case no one supporting intimi as adwuma.
Well mame koson ka say lawyer Justin Kodia ono ana general secretary for the New Patriotic Party the Twin Koboa Mayenda Franco Twin Enterprise for as a safari tissue papa this is here ho sanso na Richo Consulting as ana Zest Consulting so any wadisua won sem so control nso hwe SAT SAT na GRE ana ILETS no ono boa pa yi ama watimi abaye number 1 e de wo yenimu de ma Zest dan so kra na say ono ache over 4,000 individuals adia won watimi pass won nso hwe say IELTS ana SAT ana GRE no wona pass sa nso hwe no and over 2,000 nurses na midwives so and when you kwanya through Zest Consult on the year adwuma ewo UK ni US of A nti wona catch us akwanya kese pa na beda ho e de ama afeso ono eboa ema futuo na akwanhye ewo eye real estate mu automobile na IT solution services Zest menka say o pass ato o pe dan ato so a o pe car na o pe loan so a ni nyina wona hihye so agu akwama wona eboa e kwanso so ebi kwa na rent ho asem dan ho asem o de ko fa ba bia keke na afa akoye DJ Bredash nsensem ni bi you know na ko fa nsem bi bri aba o mpe kase bia Zest Consult for this ha no won be yefi oprekope e dia mawo Zest Consult e wo Kumasi Cultural Center o hwe chakwa ho na be ho de chem so won be eye Kumasi Airport roundabout also o say hu mu e wo ho no mti wo de wani che eye Kumasi Cultural Center na wo hu mu na wo de wani che de chem so won be Kumasi Airport roundabout na watima from so wo 055 5631 633 ana 050 9092 330 the masaka say Franco phone so gusu boy enkaye bibi bia fa iPhone Samsung Nokia smart TV say free 32 inches EcoPem 65 inches tabletop fridges Franco air conditioner sound system and afi akwa meche phone ho akwa bia ope bia no so no obuja bi ato honum we nyina eba at a discounted price nti share so pa na enya wasem hia mesro so pa so Franco phone so 0246 42 23 38 and 055 5939 311 na me adma kwesi ada ye ni 16th of April ewo National Theatre 5 p.m. nemum 1 to 4 p.m. no free health screening bra waje ticket Think Media any Adom TV akabom the passion night in air bro so this time the betrayal na become wasem why they betray why and obeshia Salinko ni Dr. Like Imo any Adom to 4 Joy's blessing energy episode Nipa Thomas it's going to be a real experience in Tibra from Vika mu ina eba yenshia de na your network is na sekakra you go try waba yeba General Secretary Adam say we are moving into the sitting MP's constituency. Now for yaba a year crater be a Afrina share abba Efaira Brian a champion ho nearby wrap up with Ghana under their watch said the Esiko. So more coming up. Yakwaba. So just a reminder, lawyer Justin Kodia, General Secretary for the New Patriotic Party in NNA Bolton Komoa. Happy birthday and Koma Abigail Opoku Ajiman or University for Development Studies, Nyankpala Campus. We free Oma Meho, Madam Efia Ampoma. So Abi, the Becca was cemetery. We didn't be see a high quan. None that there are two soluntino. Mempe problem be so Abigail Opoku Ajiman. The idea brem is a mankind of Makan. No for this so. We did through Mammy, says Sanity there. Until Fiabuma Banana. Omana yere ne ho asua de bibia ye kama why ya babak Franco trading for the almost safari tissue rich for na fe Zest controls for da wona so kwanso so general member sitting for no so but quickly boa me we no una outro krata tintin bi say who responded to a year Fifi Kwete is that correct
no correct
krata na troy
bam troy
you know, una chocolate no.
But right.
Okay, Mamima Standogbe so from Erica J Standogbe. Yeah, stand Dogbe. Office of the former President John Dramani Mahama. Once upon a time, our colleague at Multimedia, and also April born, era stand Dogbe. Also, happy birthday, Sonko, from Erica G. And the entirety of the Multimedia group, General, I want to be sure. Krata no na Troy.
Mine. Enra Katana.
Enra, they say, new patriotic party reacts to National Democratic Congress ill-founded attack on Brian Echampo.
Aye. Me answer.
Adia pressure groups near you say he should be arrested. No, I know about your Krate.
Say arrested for what?
The Kasano.
Dear no kind.
Na o kwa woni bia na.
Na me gina ho.
Oh, na o gina ho.
Yes, more pa. O man e di kan. He. Ye ti a ye bon komo. Sabi. Ke ya di akoma no se bentokwa si wo mu a. Ke betima beta no pe. Debi. Ke adi a o man basabasa wo ma ka MPP NDC ka faso bi eniso. Ghana ye ti adukonti a ye nya eni agye anope ya yesiesie ho abetan e yasundwe eto o mema. New Patriotic Party enye party a sebi ye tutu asem. Yenye party a sebi yesuso normal so a emfa nkabom emfa mpuntu mbo mem. Check our record. From 92 ebe prim summary ye cap one political party a waboama asundwe waboama kebia memu akoso power Ghana ha ya ebre kwa ye free say abaye koto 92 abaye free ye wie mu kra no yanya basabasa ye tro krata friend stolen verdict oko ene Ghana a Supreme Court law report bebre wo ha MPP versus Attorney General 31 December case MPP versus Electoral Commission ye namma ya boa ma ene Ghana kamam kabi no amemu abedu samre no ene ye mema basabasa ba o mema Dearness, memeda ye call work wie ana mpinifo ba ha say ye na supporters kasa. Honorable Brian Champon obeje mic no. Ana wo say ebre bia encheye na enuam ndisifo no mu fi say ye to aba no ene ya momo wini. Efise sabre no na obehwe a
ahokyere ne ahoyia abana ni su biri no
fango boa koso 18 20 na cedi no ahode na ba from 15 cedi per dollar ene so de na no me ginsem o Ghana ha no na ni sifo ni age no mu fi se ye to aba no sabre na ene me no mu kasai fango boa na cost no eso atia aba na be 11 12 cedi so CD na ekodu 15 be 16 and so ati aba be 10 11 ho ene ye hwede ehyehyɛ aban na de to a ye bie economy ni bie ma ya meboa ewie IMF negotiation a acha ba June July de Ghana be see ye kwan papa no so bie and until 2024 NDC party no it will collapse in its exact words omunya message bia na aban ye to so no a MPP for enfamen NDC for ne enfamen NDC for china na sebi NDC for fee so metuma to trasem NDC for fee say metuma kan nkofo kasabo ahwomyom na ye MPP for we have the men omai asema Brian Kanyanyo mabon tofa chemi baby a na say mu asema makan baby a border on criminality baby a kire say treason baby a kire say otu abayego
we have the men be on back to trust man langas and I say idea na modiba ana idea na modiba
MPP party more central focus the BSOS we have the men say we have the men now more can men am so moka
and in there for you are being for
thank you MPP a kaya party from titinyina obias MPP for you have the men. It is a honorable Brian say we have the men na. Men na Ghana for munim a munim se ye what can do for you mindie for men na munim se ye nya ehufo ye akukudufo a man penanado kumpreko wodi animu demonstration yeko men na ye wo ye koto about 2000 ye rakwam na battles 64 battalion for the two bonus there mijina ho. These are the men we are talking about. You see, as some more kind no ejamfa o my nso pe football premiership me no ka say Man City na defending champion and Arsenal ni abrese ebeje Man City for ka say league na ya ye Arsenal for njeda ye be bo ho ban strategy bi o bi ye fa Arsenal for ne fa Arsenal for china o so as there Arsenal Man City for ka no etutu ase yen kwachi wo.
We can impugn on fair means on betim the AG cap and free almost.
As why don't you also impugn on that fair means as my Brian can? You also meant say.
So why wouldn't you also suggest to Brian that it was an avoidable, needless comment?
No,
there?
It was a rightful statement or yeah. But someone can mean whom boni bi o. Say o my kind of control. Unya metan menyo hufu. Say on the platform. Ka Brian ka say 2024 ba ye kwa koto. Say moja kra be hwe egu. Se nipa be wu si etikura ye de beje abana kuma kwaje mic na finisem kuma kwaje mic na finisem wuntimi kasa asem no but what can metiase and he also more so he started on the premise say na normal nye e say normal yi and because of say normal yi nti NDC party na begu because of normal yi nti to me na you cry no ye njem. You see, I'm surprised say some of the civil society groups no can't say IGP in February. Now say by some
for further clarification.
And then in Kasa.
We have the men for further clarification. Yes, so from Chomonima, yes, so in Kwasia Simbia, so yes, so Obia in Yamune why? Or power see, or power bisa.
You see, as some of Kenyan say Kobe Jinaho. You see, O my Sebi, Yen Tiano. We have a duty to protect this great country that we have. As more kind, so fit here obey Jinaho. Eka said, Yem pene, yem famobia. He laid the foundation. What to the boy situation say, no man yet. It say no my ye. And because of that, ye so abandoned, yem famine this before. Why don't we also want to say, oh, and as some more can, just so they can to say, any.
Okay, in just 40 seconds, Kofi Pedubet Mabo, Mammy Shady Rabran, then the General Secretary wrap up properly for us. Yeah, remember.
My dream say, what did the Patapa? Any person assembly about the year 2024 now, the veterans say we have the band. The veterans say we have the band. We have the band. So, near the power, I'm my NDC. Esida. A quite be I the first 2024 election. No, IPP Bachelor Peruno. Never so.
Say, Oma, you had the one I had.
Say, and there, Oma Penidada, Mahama. Or number born to one. What in Senibia or Kamibwa? Was it 2024 elections na yokon? It will do or die. O my so what? O man Penidada Mahama, I said now simply so say NDC has a revolutionary background. Then when it comes to violence, obi enuwa obit ma macho. Tie me ya say ka civil society group no. Asema man Penidada Mahama kind no. Man can answer. What is their response to that statement? One. Etosumienu. NDC National Chairman Ira Johnson Seduketia. Ye to abama na the acceptance speech. Workers say NDC party no, they will do everything. They will make all sacrifice and make sure they win 2024 election. No.
What kind of sacrifice?
Thank you. And no civil society for man who be our mom can answer. NDC youth organizer Swami. O kaka cha say abai kwa kotu se nipa kra na esi okun na agiju to me free MPP for ha ye nje no. Eno sa group our come as o man. O man let us be fair. Asama Brian kan obo asesi a. Ehemfa ana o impini to trasem se ebeku nipa ehin fa no ka se be sacrifice nipa wo ehin fa no ka se do or die afe
say ya for platform there NDC MPP crap away there ye mu na mu china we have the men we have the men
of course ye will play some bobo na me win football no of course say ye team ye kra coach a we good obetima aboa me win a match no enti ye lose match no ye be win ye mpre and mind this before winning match no we have the men and we have the men
lawyer
oh yes say again na match chum say obegina no wo ka say ye be ku nipa ye be twa nipa ti ye babu nipa ye de mmra no be hye ensema me se kokho na aka man ka me meje mic na finisem aka say asem o ka won twensan but enam say me wo ho na video aboy ka wo hyase na abo ni nyina obetche baabi a wo kasa efri ba wan kasa tebi me to no enamamu ya din no mama anya din NDC for ye fa mamo bodi si ebetwa ebetutum nan ebetwitwa maso wan kasa John Muhammad Demi say be his excellency say it's a do or die wan kasa say the ketia dem we sacrifice wan kasa NDC youth organizers family no nipa kra yonku am bone be no aka obi aka asema wa chechemu a wa build the point say economy no baby abedu nti ye nya hoden baby ayo konti ye confidence say about 2024 ye fa man this never mention in any case we dey fa brand asem kwanto in 2000 era Rollins no a president meboa sabe no and this is am ye Satan 64 battalion say the na o man ko hu to trust wo mem ha there this 4 year nyina ye koto aban MPP enwini say enwini in 2008 eba Europe o man penda da ko forte so ye koto aba MPP ti abamu is excellency president the commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces there ben de be nyina no ye koto aban NDC for wini in 2016 NDC trans to so o man peni John Mahama for the first time so be a sitting president ye koto aba olusu ye otimi ye bibi won I don't think say baby a duru as o man no neither MPP or NDC ebetim the mrash or monsem say ye ho and Brian Champo knows this there's no real Brian Bekasema knowing say the sovereign rule of Ghana reside in the good people of Ghana no Obekasem say ye mpene Ghana for so kwa bedima kasa mpene enti we na dia SS so na NDC for no na atwade bia me kon ho asem say memi nya fifi kote ka wo tro krata no na ko da hye so say ene say IGP bra asem a o kan e me ne nya adwuntu frɛ no na ko da so say oh na wo wi a me party so your former president Adom Mahama so frɛ no cause one na e ka say do or die o ka say this year revolutionary party na ka wo wi a me chairman say no keti adwuma me ba ko ma me nya bi me tankasa nti on to frɛ no ka ho cause one crowd was say no you sacrifice everything na ka wo wi across the accounts oh me to Canada also am so mo friend no mfa court then we can say you are being fair
but couldn't Brian have avoided this conversation and this for lack of a better word this needless
and what's na me no nya adwe no
hold on me nya adwe no
dabi me no ya adwe na me ntiase me ntimi no nya adwe
ntiase ni de make
dabi because asem o kan me hu boni a waka wo mu a nti say ye twena so ma cheche ma he
se ye koto aba nti akandifo bi ti say area Brian mo na wetima kwa comparison bi ma about even the former president and the general secretary of a current opposition party. Do you think we all need to be justifying and there will be an inchemu ba well kind it is right which you can and yet tension
tension be anti-member
be any horse so you justify all the utterances the Brian can
if you say be a tail for mutie nyina o man mean so we were adwuma sense 20 you have to remain neutral
neutrality but
I will be surprised say Obi Krabe tried to juxtapose Asama Brian Kaino with utterances from the former president Mahama.
And then he share.
Hey, asema man peni mahama kan any be brand kan yepe then God save our country ebe net my yepe bra asema woka any the man peni mahama kan ye tutrafo ye ka violence obi antimi nye violence woka say do or die affair any brand there.
So if the police is to invite Brian today, be surprise.
Any kind say police for eso more fair Brian. Of course, Ghana we should build stronger institutions. Yes, so more kind. But fair Brian now, me I made in na police station. So or castle or friend I mean bako. Yes, so kind. If the Ghana institutions say yeah juma. The police for transit no more share sa no more we nyina. No some more friend, am friend dey beba. Na mum omo friend near expect say omo friend o man penda that your mama so account.
Don't do that.
No me friend we are
dedicated. That in your bit mark catch for them here.
So
you suppose for friend now. And you na be check with and the man friend your mama, and the man friend Fifi Kuti, and the man friend party chairman.
So also police for friend now. Now so na be catch on my friend.
Hey, look, I mean, they all two be a say.
Oh, them say asma kind of yeah, change. Oh my me boy. It's my police for you. Say the all kind of to make him.
Okay.
Oh my, but money be in as Ghana you don't mind. There's no way MPP and DC for.
But I think still you have to find a way to apologize to Ghanaians on the Brian statement.
Oh, me tell me know be a hunter we know me.
Okay.
I dare no enya but we be nya bono so a me ko ka asem say yentwena so.
Okay. So Kumau yes will be the second and come on fan in second. Ana so Suyan East in so how far no Muslims are bringing into a lot of more fun lots of your text messages about Abrua MPP JFK GS Mu Pro Max. Just like why the ability may have been a breast. Thank you so much. Yes, sure, that's CP. We are here to serve you. Thank you.